What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to be going through how Selena Gomez made Souvenir. For my fellow FL Studio users, I will leave the FLP in the description below. I don't normally use samples when I remake songs, but we didn't really have much of a choice for this vocal sample. So that's just a vocal chop that you hear during the introduction, during the choruses, and in the outro. Also introducing the song, we have this piano. So here we have this preset from Omnisphere. It's the LA Custom C7 Grand Piano. Then backing that up for some ambience, we're using the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, which is a Nexus preset, and that's playing the bass notes. Then also playing with that, we have another preset from Omnisphere. It's the LA Custom Rhodes Piano, and it's playing the chords, which adds some ambience to the piano. Then we have this clicking sound. Then moving into the first verse, we have some percussion. I'm not going to go through it in this video, but this is what it sounds like. And that's playing with the piano. Then moving into the pre-chorus, the piano goes up an octave. And we're backing it up with a different percussion loop. Then we have the most interesting part of the song, the chorus. First off, we have this distorted bass sound. And that was made on Serum. We're actually using the same preset from my Blinding Lights bass tutorial. For oscillator A, we're using PWM Inception, and for oscillator B, we're using a basic saw wavetable. And that's being backed up by the 808. For this synth, we're using a basic sine wavetable, and it's really simple. I didn't use any effects on this one. Then we have this super saw that plays the chords during the chorus. That was made on Serum. For oscillator A, we're using a basic saw wavetable, and for oscillator B, we're going into basic shapes, and we're bringing the wavetable position up to 7. And we're modulating the ASYM Plus using envelope 2. So you can see how these move over time. Then for the kick, we're using this kick that I created. If you've seen my other tutorials, you know I like to use this kick all the time, just because it's very inoffensive. This will be in the FLP as well. This is the percussion that plays during the chorus. So this plays for 8 bars until we reintroduce the Selena vocal chops. As you can see, there's lots of percussion going on in this song. I don't want to go through it all in this video today, but it will be in the FLP in the description. That's actually it. There aren't a lot of synths to cover in this song. All these instrumentals are very transferable throughout the entire song. So if you get the first verse and the first chorus right, you'll be able to do the entire song. That's actually it for the tutorial. Again, I'm going to leave the FLP in the description below if you want to check that out and have a more in-depth look. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to remake in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.